In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub code search. A broad keyword can bury the file you actually need under thousands of unrelated matches. So we'll use qualifiers, exact phrases, and result filters to narrow things down. Let's start by opening GitHub and beginning a search. Head over to the GitHub website in your browser and let the home page load fully. Once you're there, look up to the top navigation bar and click the option that reads Search or Jump to. This will open the GitHub-wide search panel, which gives you a single field where you can enter any query that runs across the entire platform. Now let's run a focused code query. In that search field, you're going to type a query that combines three things at once: a specific repository, an exact phrase, and a folder path. Go ahead and enter the repository qualifier for the GitHub docs repository. Then follow it with your exact phrase wrapped in quotation marks, and finish with the path qualifier pointing to the code search documentation folder. Take your time getting the syntax right, since each qualifier needs to sit next to the correct value. Once your full query is typed out and looks correct, press Enter to run it. Here's what that query is actually doing behind the scenes. The repo qualifier limits the search strictly to the GitHub docs repository. The quotation marks force GitHub to match the exact phrase rather than loose keywords, and the path qualifier keeps every result inside the code search documentation folder. Together, they trim the noise dramatically. Next, let's open a matching code file from the results. Look at the left sidebar of the results page, find the section labeled Filter By, and click the code option underneath it. That switches your view so you're only seeing source code hits instead of issues, pull requests, or other content types. In the filtered results list, find the markdown file that matches your search, and click it to open it up. The source file will now open inside the public GitHub docs repository. You can check the file's path at the top and scan the highlighted section discussing regular expressions to confirm your query landed exactly where you intended. GitHub has shown you the matching syntax file from the GitHub docs repository, limited cleanly to the repository, exact phrase, and folder path you specified, instead of returning unrelated repositories or non-code results. Congratulations, you successfully used GitHub code search.